好，下面呢，我们来看一下 brain 这一道题。首先呢，把视频暂停一下，用大概30秒到40秒的时间，把整段话呢先读一遍。好，下面呢，我们来看一下第一部分。Scientists know little about how about 这个 t 注意，不要读成 about， 是一定要快。about 这个 t 口型要做到位。about how exactly it works， it works 不要读成 it works， 是 it works。Especially when it comes to complex functions like memory formation. 我们读一下第一部分。Scientists know little about how exactly it works, especially when it comes to complex functions like memory formation. 第二部分。Research is more advanced 或者 advanced 都可以。Advanced in animals. But 这个 t 弱化。But experiments on humans are hard. 这个 d 要发清楚。Yet 这个 t 要发清楚。Even today, some parts of 前后的那一起 some parts of the brain, like 在这里读成 like the motor cortex， 本身念 like， 但是放在句子里面呢 like the motor cortex are better understood， 发清楚这个 d。Nor is a complete knowledge always needed。Nor is a complete knowledge， 我没有读成complete knowledge， t 你要读出来的话呢要迅速。Nor is a complete knowledge always needed， 不是 needed， 是 needed。我们读一下第二部分。Research is more advanced in animals, but experiments on humans are hard. Yet, even today, some parts of the brain, like the motor cortex, are better understood. Nor is complete knowledge always needed. 第三部分。Machine learning can recognize 这个 G 不要读成了 recognize， 是 recognize patterns of 前后的那一起 patterns of neural activity. The brain itself gets the hang of controlling BCIS of 前后的那一起 with extraordinary ease. 这一句如果我们不停顿，能不能读下来？我们试一试。The brain itself gets the hang of controlling BCIS with extraordinary ease. 没有问题。第三句 and neural technology will reveal more of 前后的那一起 more of the brain secret， more of the brain secret， 这个 s 比较弱，这个 s 比较强 brain secrets。 好，第三部分我们读一下。Machine learning can recognize patterns of neural activity. The brain itself gets the hang of controlling BCIS with extraordinary ease, and neurotechnology will reveal more of the brain's secrets. 好，把三部分的那一起读一下。Scientists know little about how exactly it works, especially when it comes to complex function like memory formation. Research is more advanced in animals, but experiments on humans are hard. Yet, even today, some parts of the brain, like the motor cortex, are better understood. Nor is complete knowledge always needed. Machine learning can recognize patterns of neural activity. The brain itself gets the hang of controlling BCIS with extraordinary ease, and neurotechnology will reveal more of the brain's secrets. All right, thank you guys.